Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A10. Today I'll show you how to remove and restore messages icon from the screen. Make sure your cell phone is in app drawer mode. To check it, tap and hold on screen, go to screen settings and tap on first option. Make sure it's home and apps screens. Now, tap and hold on icon and remove from home. Now, open app drawer, find your icon and drag it back to home screen. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.